Low-speed brake squeal is a common automotive issue that occurs primarily at speeds below 25 miles per hour. Understanding its causes is essential for effective diagnosis and repair. Brake squeal typically manifests in the low-speed range, particularly below 25 miles per hour. This is the critical zone where the conditions for squeal are most favorable. The physics of brake squeal involves vibrations in the 2 to 8 kilohertz frequency range. This frequency band is particularly noticeable to the human ear, making brake squeal especially annoying to drivers. The primary cause of brake squeal is stick-slip friction. The brake pad intermittently sticks to the rotor surface, builds up tension, then suddenly slips. This repetitive cycle creates the characteristic vibration and noise. Material incompatibility between brake pads and rotors is a major contributor to squeal. Mismatches in pad compounds, hardness differentials, and chemical incompatibility can lead to uneven contact patterns and surface glazing. Several mechanical factors contribute to brake squeal. Worn or improperly lubricated caliper slide pins, warped rotors, incorrect pad installation, and contaminated brake surfaces all create conditions favorable for noise generation. Recent technological advances have revolutionized brake noise diagnosis. Digital brake noise analyzers provide precise frequency analysis, while thermal imaging cameras help identify hotspots and uneven heat distribution that contribute to squeal. Modern brake pad formulations, including ceramic metallic hybrid pads and nano-coating technologies, have achieved up to 40% reduction in low-speed squeal compared to traditional semi-metallic pads. When brake squeal occurs, there are immediate fixes you can apply to resolve the problem quickly and effectively. The first immediate fix is thorough cleaning. Remove all contamination from both rotors and brake pads using brake cleaner to eliminate dirt, oil, and debris that cause squealing. Next, lightly sand any glazed surfaces on the brake pads. Glazing creates a smooth, shiny surface that reduces friction and causes noise. Light sanding restores the proper texture. Replace worn hardware components, including shims and clips. These small parts prevent vibration and are often overlooked, but critical for quiet operation. Apply high-temperature brake grease to contact points where metal components touch. This prevents vibration and reduces noise while withstanding brake system heat. For long-term solutions, focus on component compatibility and quality upgrades that prevent future squealing problems. Ensure brake pad and rotor compatibility by matching materials and specifications. Mismatched components are a leading cause of brake noise and premature wear. Consider upgrading to premium brake components with noise-dampening features. Quality components cost more initially, but provide quieter operation and longer service life. Professional installation, following manufacturer torque specifications, is crucial. Improper installation accounts for 70% of brake noise issues, according to industry experts. Prevention strategies help avoid brake squeal problems before they start, saving time and money on repairs. Implement proper break-in procedures for new brake components. This involves gradual heating and cooling cycles that properly seat the pads against the rotors for optimal performance. Schedule regular brake system inspections to catch problems early. Visual inspection every 6 months can identify wear patterns and contamination before they cause noise. Educate drivers on proper braking techniques. Smooth, gradual braking reduces heat buildup and component stress that leads to squealing and premature wear. Protect brake components from environmental contamination by avoiding driving through deep water and cleaning brake dust regularly to maintain optimal performance. Real-world success stories demonstrate these repair principles in action. Tesla's Model 3 brake squeal resolution shows how systematic approaches solve widespread problems. Tesla identified widespread brake squeal complaints in cold weather and implemented a comprehensive solution combining hardware redesign with software optimization, achieving an 85% reduction in customer complaints within 6 months.